What's happening, gang? Hey, listen, last week I was in my bag. I did an AMD trade. I got $564 on that trade, y'all. Today I'm gonna give you the layup. I'm gonna give you a little bit of education before I give you the layup. But stocks has been going crazy this week. Apple went crazy on Friday. AMD went crazy on Friday. You could have played anything to the bullet side on Friday and it would have went up. But I got you on some plays for tomorrow. And if you miss these trades, don't worry about it. I'll leave a little trading education in all my videos. So like and subscribe because I'm gonna guide you to this money. Watch me. So after we got the 3 white soldiers. Then they hit the double bottom. 3 white soldiers, double bottom. So once that double bottom broke this line right here, you can see it started to go up, did a little fake out, and then it was off to the whole day. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna build some trend lines right here. Boom. So that's how Apple is trending. And it went crazy on the day. It literally went all the way up after that. So that was on Friday's trade. That doesn't mean you base, you know what I'm saying, all of this action over here off of this, because this is more, you know what I'm saying, the area of what we expect is gonna happen tomorrow. There is a lot of bullish action over here. Whole bunch of bullish action. I feel like Apple is going in the same direction on Monday. So I got my eyes open for Apple on tomorrow morning. Let me show y'all the play that I actually really plan on doing tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm gonna be watching out for Apple and AMD. My first sights is gonna be on AMD. I feel like AMD has more room to run than Apple does, but I'm gonna keep my eye on both of them because I'm planning on going bullish on Monday. But if one does something that the other one doesn't do, I want to be prepared. I want to have 2 stocks in mind. All right, so this was AMD's action right there on Friday, right? So my trade at $400 something was me getting out right about here. Now I left a lot of money on the table. If I would have rolled it up the whole day, then, you know what I'm saying, around here would have been 1,000, 1,500, whatever the case is, it would have been something around there. But I only trade based off of what I know, and I only trade based off of what I know and what I expect the stock to do in a short period of time, because anything can go down in the trading day. So first, I'm gonna draw some trend lines, and of course, AMD has been going crazy, so it's trending upward. So I expect that trend to continue. I expect that trend on AMD to continue in the upward direction. Let me clean this up real quick. All right, next thing I see is a bull flag. AMD currently formed a bull flag, and in every bull flag, if I could zoom in a little bit, in every bull flag, you see a double bottom. Now, it doesn't look like that necessarily. That doesn't look like that double bottom actually turned into a double bottom. So it might be forming a triple bottom down here. So one thing I could be expecting at market open, I could expect it to do a fake out to the downside, bounce off and then go up, or the market could just start from here and go up right away at the beginning of the day. But that's why I say I don't know which trade I'm gonna do yet, because pre-market will let me know which direction I plan on playing the stock, right? So that was candlesticks and stuff like that. Now I'm gonna show y'all moving averages. Purple line right here is the 50 MA, and the black line right here is the 200 MA. Usually when they cross like this right here, that's a cross, it changes the direction of the stock. Since it crossed over, it's been on an uptrend after that, and they have not crossed over. So looking at looking at these moving averages, that let me know also that the stock should continue trending in an upward direction. All right, so this is still on AMD. Looking at the RSI, you want the RSI in between 80 and 30. If it's closer to the 30, that means it's bearish. If it gets closer to the 80, that means that it's overbought, and if it gets closer to the 30, it's oversold. It's right in the middle, somewhere in between the 80 and 30. So it's neither overbought nor oversold. And also on the MACD indicator, the MACD indicator shows that if you look at the MACD indicator, you can see it kind of follows the movement of the stock, right? So, and a lot of time when the MACD indicator crosses over, like in a situation like this, it kind of changes direction. Now, you don't know how long that's going to happen, but it could change the direction of the stock. Like if you look right here, if you look over here, it crossed over, then the stock started to go down. It crossed over again, and it started to go up. Then it crossed right back over and then started to go down. I gave y'all two examples. If Apple and AMD is going up tomorrow, then that means there's a good chance that the whole tech industry is going up tomorrow, whether it's Amazon, Nvidia, Microsoft, they all should probably be going up. But I didn't look at all those plays. I just looked at Apple and AMD. So I'm watching them. I'm planning to play AMD to the upside. As far as support and resistance, I think AMD might be at new highs or whatever. So I don't really have a resistance level. I might just play it 20 minutes. If it's going up in pre-market, then I'll trade it. But remember, if it's going up in pre-market, that means it's leaving a gap. Gaps usually get filled in most cases in the same day or the next day. That's not always true, but you got to keep these things in mind when you're doing your play. So if it does a gap up, y'all, you know it's confirmation that it's going up. But a gap up usually means that at some point during that day, it could possibly come down. Y'all get out here, get in y'all bag. I might do the trade live tomorrow with commentary and all of that. But y'all will get my results tomorrow, and I'm going to go over my next play that I'm going to do on Tuesday morning. Y'all like and subscribe, man. I'm going to teach y'all how to get this money.